We have some friends.
Where?
They're from Utah.
Hi, Utah! Okay, Mom, sir, I'm sorry because I don't know how to speak English very well. So please understand me because I understand myself. Okay? So you stay there and I'm stay here, so no problem.
Korean, also from Korea.
Korean, sige, 안녕하세요. Nanim Bubsi. Na ang sabi ko, my name is Bubsi. Nanim.
Name.
Nanim Burimo.
Uy, kapampangan yun.
Ano yun, baby boobs?
Sabi ko, anong gusto nyo?
Kapampangan yun, di Korean.
Kapangpangan.
Oo.
Lia, Korea. Isang kapasang tiyang papa.
Mapunta lang Chinese.
Apa. Korea yon.
Apa.
Apa.
Yobose.
Saranghe.
Alam mo yon yung mga sinasabi namin?
Siyempre hindi. Ano ba naman Shanghai siya? Shanghai.
Okay, you can talk to there.
Hey, Uta, how are you?
Anong uta-uta?
Uta pa.
Yuta.
Uta. You're so pogi.
Salamat.
Tatagalog ka naman pala, sir.
No.
Trying hard pa ako mag-English. You're so pogi. Your hair is like mais. You know that?
You know mais?
Mais?
Yeah.
Corn?
Yeah.
You're so good.
How long have you been here in the Philippines?
2 years na.
2 years na.
2 years
That's why
na. How about the two ladies? You can speak Tagalog also?
Hello po, kumusta?
Wow.
Is this your first time in the country, Philippines?
It is our first time in the country. He's been here before. That's why he knows Tagalog.
Think you enjoy the show, okay?
Thank you din po.
Hopefully we can, we can tour you. We can be your tour guide here in the country. All right? Enjoy. And also from Korea. Microphone, please. Okay. Excuse me, you speak English? English?
That's me to.
Apa ka? Korean.
Yeah.
Speak English?
Konti.
Konti. Speak Tagalog?
Konti.
Konti. Okay.
Bisaya ba yan? It's content.
You're here, what? Do you work here in the Philippines?
Business.
BGC.
Business.
BGC. Wow, global. Why are you here? Why?
까미 미 플랜 까미를 찾으러요 GMA 왔어.
Diyos ko naman, dali-dali eh.
Bahala na. Okay na bahala dyan. Okay.
May minute daw silang friend dito sa GMA.
Dito daw nagtatrabaho.
Who?
GMA요 멤버.
Miyembro mo daw nangutang sa kanya. Sinisingil niya yon.
Ikaw ang sinisingil.
Tinuro cameraman eh.
Stay in Philippines, go Korea, no? Here, you love Philippines. Anyway, enjoy, okay? Fun, have fun, okay? No kids.
Mama, Papa! Mama, Papa! I'm here! Mama! Mommy, Daddy! Parang gusto akong ampunin.
Okay, thank you very much for joining, okay? Have fun,
Kamsahamnida.
okay? Tuloy-tuloy tayo at